Okay, so I just got this digital alarm clock. It's got multi-colors, RGB, it's multiple color. It's supposed to have 120 decimals because I'm a real heavy sleeper. So here's the number if you want to look at it to try to research it yourself. There's the specs. Here's the features. Supposed to have 65 to 120 decibels. So that's supposed to be pretty loud, I think. So okay, looking at it right here, looks like you got the main unit, a block, and then a cord. So that's a cord, nice length. It's a regular block. I imagine you can use anything with a USB on it. It looks like a USB A. Yeah, it's USB A. So that's a box. We've got the unit, instructions, the cord, and a block. So let me check this out, and I'll be right back. One thing that's a classy touch is that it did include the AAA batteries for the backup. That's nice because now I'm going to be able to get the full use of it. You know, the power outage or something, it gets reset. So that's always a nice touch. Thank you for including that. Okay, so looking at the instructions, here's the buttons on the top. Okay, reading the instructions, this is just a C. Right here, here's the alarm all the way up. Cool. That's cool. Got the date, you got all this stuff here. So got the light underneath, a lot of nice stuff on here. So let's check it out. Apparently it's going to pair automatically. See, it went straight from my phone. So all I did was I went to my Bluetooth settings and I paired this network, and now all of a sudden I've got everything all set. The date, the time, it's all synced up. Now let's do the alarm. You got workday, and you got different settings here. So let's see what we gotta do to set this. Okay. It does. That is pretty loud. That's pretty loud, huh? That was crazy. I have to say, this is a very, very loud alarm clock. I'm impressed. I am very impressed. This is very loud. It woke me up and I'm wide awake. That's cool.